Hi, my name is Carl Stanley. I'm a software engineer. After I finished my Leaving Cert, I went to Trinity College to study maths and philosophy, and after a year I gave up on philosophy and I finally did a degree in pure mathematics. And when I finished my maths degree, I then did a master's degree part-time in computer science in machine vision, which is the use of cameras and computers to measure and inspect things. I think the most important personal qualities to have as a software engineer are patience, because you're going to spend a lot of time figuring things out. And you need to have a certain element of curiosity. I think you have to be quite interested in how things work. One of the things I most like about my job is that it's kind of like doing puzzles all day, and I quite like doing puzzles. So it's not unlike doing crosswords or Sudoku or something. It's quite mentally challenging and interesting. Right now I work for a company called TicketText, who are a mobile ticketing agency and technology provider. What we do is we allow people to buy tickets to events that get delivered to their mobile phones as a barcode, which they can then use to gain access to the event. The scanner has a small camera inside it, and you can present the phone to the scanner. You just hold the phone up to the scanner and the scanner sees the barcode, which it either looks like a 1D barcode, which is the kind of thing you might see on the side of a cereal packet, or a 2D barcode, which looks like a little square full of dots. And the camera is able to pick that up, and from that code it's able to read out a number which lets it know whether or not you should get into the event or not. An important thing about software engineering is that it changes all the time. So it's very important to keep abreast of new developments, to read stuff online, to read blogs, to read magazines, and to try to puzzle things out and find out what new things are coming over the horizon. Since I started, I used to write in C and C++ and Perl and PHP and Java, and now I'm writing Python, which is my 6th computer programming language. So that's only in about 10 years. So things change all the time, and it really helps if you can kind of keep abreast of the new things that are happening to prevent yourself getting left behind, basically. Being a software engineer is good if you're interested in having a good work-life balance, because it pays quite well. Most of the time it's a 9 to 6, Monday to Friday sort of a job, so you don't end up having to work unsociable hours or having to spend a lot of time away from your family. If you do like to travel, those options are there, because there are plenty of software engineers who travel the world meeting with customers and meeting with clients and finding out what kind of things they want. There's a lot of different approaches you can take, or there's scope for all kinds of different lifestyles in this industry.